Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can create a zip file with multiple documents. So let's get started. First, make sure all the documents you want to include are in one location. They can be on your desktop, inside a folder, or anywhere else on your computer. Once you've gathered all the files, select them by clicking and dragging your mouse over them, or by holding the Control key while clicking each file. After selecting the documents, right-click on any of the highlighted files. If you're using Windows 11, choose Compress to, and then select Zip File. If you're using Windows 10, choose Send to, and then click Compressed Zipped Folder. Windows will automatically create a new zip file containing all of the selected documents. You can then rename the zip file to something more descriptive if you'd like. A zip file makes it easier to organize, share, and transfer multiple documents because everything is stored in a single file. This is especially useful when sending files through email or uploading them online. And that's how you can quickly create a zip file with multiple documents on your Windows computer. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.